Hello viewers, welcome to our channel English Tube. In this video, we will write a card for Diwali celebration. For more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss an update from our channel. Happy Diwali! Wishing you a Diwali filled with sparkling moments. And the warm glow of love. May this festival of lights illuminate your life. With happiness and prosperity. As we light our lamps and exchange sweets, let's celebrate the triumph of good over evil, light over darkness, and knowledge over ignorance. May the beauty of this festival fill your heart with boundless happiness and inspire you to spread kindness and love to all. Wishing you and your loved ones a very happy Diwali. With warmest wishes, write your name.